quality of assets on one side and equity on the other side. Accounting equation expresses equity, no? So, it can be the claim of owners or claim of outsiders. In mathematical form, accounting equation can be expressed as assets equals equity. Equity equals liabilities plus capital. Here is a transaction. Sunil started business with cash rupees 3 lakh. So this is the capital. So let us see the effect of business transaction in the accounting equation. Cash of rupees 3 lakh is coming inside the business and it is in the form of capital. So accounting equation is satisfied here. Assets equals liability plus capital. On both sides we have 3 lakh. Another transaction. Sunil purchased machinery for rupees 40,000 and furniture for rupees 20,000. In this transaction, machinery, when we are writing the accounting equation, on the asset side you can include 3 columns: cash column, machinery column and furniture column. And after equal sign, you can include capital and liabilities. Here, from the earlier accounting equation, you have 3 lakh as balance. And after that, from this transaction, machinery of rupees 40,000 is coming inside the business. So, under machinery column, you have to add 40,000. Under furniture column, that is also purchased, you have to add 20,000. So, how much of cash is going from the business? 40 plus 20, 60,000 cash is going from the business. So, cash is deducted rupees 60,000. After deducting the cash, accounting equation will be like this. 3 lakh minus 60,000 as cash. That is 2,40,000 cash, 40,000 machinery, furniture 20,000. So, that will come to 3 lakh. On the asset side, and liability side also we have 3 lakh. So, accounting equation is satisfied. In the accounting equation, there will be either increase in capital or increase in assets in every transaction, or decrease in capital or decrease in assets. It can appear in any of these 4 combinations. Either increase in capital or decrease in asset in a transaction, or increase in asset or decrease in capital, like that some combination will be there. Sunil withdrew cash for personal use rupees 5,000. This is another transaction. So cash is going from the business. Cash worth rupees 5,000 is going from the business. So from the cash column we are deducting minus 5,000 and capital of 5,000 rupees is going. So in the capital column we are deducting 5,000. So, in every transaction, when we are seeing the accounting equation, there can be an increase in capital or decrease in capital, or increase in asset or decrease in asset. Here is another transaction. Sunil withdrew cash for personal use, rupees 5,000. Earlier, accounting equation was 2,40,000 cash, machinery 40,000, furniture 20,000 and capital of 3 lakh. When cash is withdrawn for personal use, that is drawings. So, cash of 5,000 is going from the business. So, that is from the capital it is going. So, in the cash column, you have to deduct minus 5,000 because cash of 5,000 is going. In the capital, it is in the form of drawings from the business. For personal use, this money is going. So, minus 5,000 in the capital column. So, again accounting equation is satisfied. 2,40,000 minus 5,000 in the cash column, 2,35,000 plus machinery 40,000 plus furniture 20,000. In the capital, 3 lakh minus 5,000, 2,95,000. So, in the asset side also 2,95,000 Liability side also 2,95,000. So accounting equation is satisfied. Business enterprise borrows money in the form of loan from outsiders to carry its activity. Money borrowed from outsiders is a liability for the business. Rupees 1,50,000 were borrowed from Shipra. Cash is coming inside the business for rupees 1,50,000. So in the cash column, you can add plus 1,50,000. It is borrowed from one party. So liability is increasing. Creditors increasing. Shipra being a creditor increasing. So in the liabilities column, you will add 1,50,000. And in the cash column, total will come to earlier equation 2,35,000 plus 1,50,000. So total will come to 3,85,000. And in the asset side, when we are totaling 3,85,000 plus 40,000 plus 20,000 will be on the asset side. And on the liability side, liability has increased by 1,50,000 and capital earlier it was 2,95,000, no change. So 2,95,000 plus 1,50,000. So both the sides, asset side and the liability side again equals, and here also accounting equation is satisfied. That is on both sides 4,45,000. A business concern has to meet some expenses in its normal course of operation. Which are the expenses? Expenses like insurance premium, postage, salary, rent, repairs, etc. Payment of these expenses will reduce net income. That is, it will reduce the cash. Expenses will reduce the cash balance. As expenses are reducing the cash balance, it is deducted from the capital also. Business concern receives some revenue. Just now we have mentioned about expenses. So we have to consider revenue also. Business concern receives some revenue during normal course of operations. Which can be the revenue items? Commission received, rent received, etc. can be revenue items. Revenue is received in cash. So it is added to the cash balance. Revenue increases net income. So it is added to the capital balance. Once again, accounting equation is expressed. Assets equals liabilities plus capital. Accounting equation is affected by every business transaction. Any increase or decrease in the assets or liabilities or capital can be identified by preparing accounting equation. Every business transaction satisfies the dual aspect concept of accounting. You have studied earlier dual aspect concept. That is, every transaction is affecting two aspects. And accounting equation serves as the basis